Is it foreseeable that a dog could cause injury to a child and that the owner can be held legally responsible for those injuries? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information and I introduce you to my good friend Bentley. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. This is Bentley, my daughter's puppy. He's a cute little dog. He's a Morkie. He's a mix between a Maltese and a Yorkie. So now I raised this question because just the other day there was a horrible tragedy that happened here in Nassau County involving a 9-year-old girl who was mauled to death by a pit bull. And now the question becomes, can the owner of that pit bull be held legally responsible as a result of this horrible, horrible tragedy? First of all, we have to look to see what type of dog this is. Is he a cute little Morkie that weighs only 5 pounds? No. This was a pit bull. This was an adult pit bull according to the news reports in Newsday. Then we look to see, did this dog have any prior incidents where he had bitten anyone, where he's barking crazy and now the mailman can't even go up to the door? Was there any incident? And according to the news reports, there was no instance of this dog having any vicious propensity whatsoever. There was an indication in one of the news reports, it may have been the New York Post, that indicated that this little girl, together with her friend, were playing with this dog's puppies. And now that may have triggered some type of reaction in this adult mother dog. And if that's the case, it's going to be extremely challenging, especially when the dog had no known vicious propensities, aside from the fact that this is a breed known to have vicious propensities. Being able to show that this dog was vicious and had attacked someone in the past, that's going to be extremely challenging for any attorney to take on, even though it's heart-wrenching and it's a tragic situation. So why do I share that with you, and why do I introduce my little friend Bentley here, who loves licking people's faces and jumping on you? I do that because in any type of dog bite case here in New York, one of the first things we look at is, what type of dog was it? Was there a vicious propensity? Had the dog bitten anyone in the past? What did the owner know? Was it foreseeable that the owner, knowing that kids were playing or nearby, that this dog could likely attack and cause such horrible injury? If it is foreseeable, then the owner may be held legally responsible. What? What do you see? I've got an attack dog here now. If it's not foreseeable, then it'll be very challenging, if not impossible, to show that the owner of the dog is legally responsible for this horrible tragedy. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need to be answered first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. Bentley will be happy to answer the phone. No, seriously, I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day. Say goodbye, Bentley. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone.